And Jesus said unto them, Come ye after me, and I will make you to become fishers of men. May God bless you. Amen. Tin isuan an hena mizui ro ti chuan hring man tua ka siamang cheu atia isua kan zui chuan mihring kan man dawn lalpan mal som chero se. Amen.